Now let's go for evaluation, math validation, you can say. So we had seen, let me see, MS Paint. This is not the case. Let me open this image. Yes, this is the image which we had discussed. So let me see all the case one by one. So to verify whether I can get the all values same as it is, which is given by my sklearn or stack model. So I'll go for first creating a correlation. Let me take a CUR, a correlation of two values. I say two values are height and weight. So CORR is a method. If we say CR, it's a correlation. Then in that case, we are looking for values. Then I say I need to get a first row, second column. This is my correlation of height versus weight. So it is near to 1, good to go for prediction. Then I'll go for standard deviation. Say SDX first. I said DF. For X, I'm having height. I say STD. So I'll say print standard deviation of height. It is my SDX. And similarly for Y, which is nothing but your weight, this is my 33. So first let me get the values. So first let me get the slope of this calculation. So it should be same 8.829 approx. So for getting slope, which is nothing but coefficient, my correlation into STDY versus STDX. So slope value I'll say slope is 8.8321. It is same of LR if you refer. Same, no change. Even in fractions also there. Then let me go for intercept. Intercept is nothing but what? Mean of Y minus slope into X. So let me write down. My Y is weight. I'm looking for mean of this minus my slope into mean of X. So let me print this also. Intercept value is, so let's verify if you are getting the same interface which you are getting for your sklearn. Same, no change. Now let's verify for this case SSC, SSR and all. I'm more precisely looking for this, getting this R square. So let me get first this SSR. SSR nothing but your predicted Y minus mean of Y square. So for that, let me have one more column. Say I call it SR. It is like Y is my weight. I'll say mean of Y minus the predicted Y. Predicted Y I am having in weight 3, you can take last one, and I am going for square of this. Then if I go for SSR, I'll get sum. This is my SSR value. I'll say print SSR value is, I intentionally given in capitals for make it more readable. That's it. What's wrong? SSR print. Let me see. Okay, column name is wrong because my existing column is SR only. Fine. My SSR is sum of square regression. So let me go for SST. For SST, I'll make one column for ST. ST is nothing but your gap between actual y minus mean of y. So actual y is my weight minus my mean of it. Then I am going for square of this gap. And for summation per se, I am saying SST equal to df ST sum. And I am